Steve and I are actors. We are theater makers, directors, and playwrights. And above all, we are storytellers. And we're just so excited to be here with you guys today because that's truly what we believe that you all do at the core.
We're subliminally changing that feeling of like, oh, I screwed up, with a feeling of, hey, that's okay. That's fine. That was fun. We're moving on as quick as possible.
I always warm up because it's really important about connecting your mind, your body, your breath all together, getting yourself in the time and space that we're in right now. It's the same reason why athletes warm up too. We also don't want to get hurt, but it's also just to put yourself in the mindset.
Yeah, absolutely. You don't want to strain your leading questions. So the conversations you all have are some of the most important moments in the courses that we do.
There was some extra words happening in some of your questions and then some of your sentences. All of that was gone. It was straight facts and to the point.
Everybody give yourselves a round of applause. Well done, everyone.